practice lesson for our arrays. So if you're working on practice, that means that you've got some skills with arrays, but it's time for you to get even better with it. So let's talk about what an array is. Well, you remember that an array is just a way of showing repeated addition. So if I had repeated addition like 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, I could show that with an array. I could show 1, 2, 3. That's one of these. 1, 2, 3. That's another one of these. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. I have my repeated addition, and I'm showing it with an array. So the question then becomes, what is the multiplication sentence that shows? Well, I know that one part of my multiplication is my number of groups, and the other is the number in each. So a group means a collection of objects. This is a group, this is a group, this is a group, this is a group. And those are called rows. They're called rows because they go across. Think of like in a rowboat. Here's the rowboat, here's the ocean, kind of. Here's the person sitting in it with their oars in the water. It's a terrible drawing, but you get what I mean. So that's a row, it goes across. So in this, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. So we've got a 4 here. And then how many do we have in each? We have 1, 2, 3 in that one. 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 Okay, so we've got 4 times 3. So the question then is, what does it equal? Well, we could count by ones, or we could just add it up. So we know 3 plus 3 is a double, which is 6. 3 plus 3 here is a double, which is 6. Double this, and you've got 12. So we know that it is 12. All right, so you got that down pretty well if you're working on practice. You probably know this. Now let's talk about giving you a more challenging problem. All right, so I want you to use an array to solve this problem. This is my friend Mackie. Mackie, what's up, man? This is Mackie. Mackie hanging out right here. Sweet hair. There's Mackie. Mackie has 6 bags. In each bag, he has 5 candles. How many candles does he have? Now, I want to challenge you to use an array to figure this out. So, give it a try, and then we'll come back and look at it. Pause the video and try it out. All right, so here we are. So we've got 6 bags. So I could draw pictures, but I want to use an array. So let's use an array. So we've got 6 bags. So I'm going to kind of just put a mark here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so that's the 6 bags. And then how many are in each candle? Well, or in each bag? Well, it says 5 candles in each bag. So let's draw those 5 candles. So here's the first bag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, here's the second bag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I could count by 5s. I've got 5, 10, 15 so far. Here's the next bag. Go ahead and do that on your own. Pause it if you need to. All right, so now I've got my total there. So, all right, I could count it up by ones. I could do multiplication. I could do repeated addition. I want you to write the multiplication sentence. What would be the multiplication sentence there, and what is the answer? Pause the video, give it a try, and then we'll come back. All right, so you may be thinking, what is it? Well, we've got 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows. Each one represents a bag. They're all bags. So that's 6 times, and now this is the number of items in each bag, or candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so 5 it is. So now I could just count by 5s to figure this out. So let's count it. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. And I know that 6 times 5 equals 30. So that was the problem. Nice job. You worked on it with me. Now you can move on and work on the rest of your homework. Make sure you finish that practice paper. And also do not forget to submit your reading log for the night. Otherwise, your homework is not complete. Nice job and keep rocking. Thank you.